I don't know if it would be good to eat like that. You could eat raw dough.
Go ahead, punch it.
Okay, punch it. Hit it.
Make it.
Make biscuit. Yes. Can you take it? Thank you. Pinch it. Make biscuit. Biscuit. You could. I guess it wouldn't hurt him.
No, it won't.
Flour and milk.
If you want to try it, you can try it. You can eat it.
You probably won't.
Are you doing a movie record thing? Okay, now let's make the biscuits. You ready? I'm going to cut the biscuits up.
Satisfied me. Won't do it again.
I don't know if even on his fingers. Okay, you ready to make some biscuits?
And math. Sit on me.
Okay, now we have to take a biscuit cutter. We have to cut the biscuits out. Okay, you ready? This is a biscuit cutter. And we hold it right here with this knob. We lean over and we cut our first biscuit.
Whoa.
Boom! 1 biscuit. 2 biscuits. Lean farther. 3 biscuits. I'm going to put these 3 biscuits on the pan.
He really liked the next girl.
Here, hold out your hand like this. Hold your hand out flat. Hold it out flat. Put the biscuit on it. Okay, let's put it in the pan. Put it in the pan. There it goes. Now let's pick up another biscuit. Pick up the biscuit. Look, let me help. There you go. Hold your hand out flat and put it in the pan. Good job, Jenna. And put this one in the pan.
Is that good? Is it good? Is it good? Yum yum.
You were
Yum yum.
too fast for me, Jack. Hold on. We want to cook the biscuits before we eat them. You're going to get sick if you keep